Alright guys, we are back in our Ruby. We're 47% of the way done, so we're halfway there. And we are currently in the blocks and sorting, ordering your library section. So, in this project we'll design a single Ruby method to sort large quantities of data in either ascending or descending order. If you remember last time we started using methods. Alright, let's see here. We're going to kind of scan this, so we have rev is equal to false, and r is some sort of method, or some sort of array maybe. But alright, cool. So this sorts it. Alright, so define alphabetize in the editor below. What do you mean? Oh. The alphabetize has an R and a rev. Okay. It's been a minute, so let me remember. So def alphabetize. I'm not sure if this will work because it doesn't say submit anything. Okay, cool. So now it's going to ask for the parameter, so that's why I was confused. So, alright, so yeah, let's look over what is rev is equal to false. The first parameter r is basically declaring an array, and rev equal to false. Let's see here. Rev is for reverse. That will default to false if the user doesn't type in 2 arguments. Okay, so it's basically saying the default value is false if they don't give it a parameter. So in this case, alphabetize books, it would result to a default value of false because it wasn't included. Okay, so we updated the method. Cool. Next section. We're going to be ordering the library. Inside your method, add a line that calls .sort on the R array since the last line of the method is sorted. So we want to call the R, which will be supplemented when we call the method .sort. Now test your work. After your method, make a new array called numbers. Alright, so we're going to numbers equal an array. Alright, so we'll do 1, 2, 3. Actually, we should do it out of order. 4, 3, 1, 2. To make sure that it works. And then we want to call call alphabetize. And we want to submit our numbers array to it. And we can just leave that empty. And then we want to put numbers. I think that should work. And as you can see, after we alphabetize it, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it prints it out line by line. Cool. Alright, in this case, we're going to sort with control flow. So after our .sort method, if it's true, if rev is equal to true, it wants us to call our reverse, and then we need to end that also. I believe that's what it's asking. Wait, let's see here. So it looks like your method doesn't default to alphabetizing an array when it doesn't receive a second parameter. Alright, let's see what they did different here. Well, let's see here. Let's see, if rev is equal to true, call reverse on R. Let's see again. Let's go to the Q&A forum. Let's see how they do it. Alright. Let's see if we can find one more example. Ah, looks like it wants us to use an else. Just wants us to have an else statement in there. I don't know why, to be honest with you, because it should remain unchanged. I'm not sure what. It may just be the convention in Ruby. Something to keep in the back of our mind. So you did it for real this time. Click save and submit. Okay, cool. So it all worked there. Pretty quick. We stumbled a little bit on the else statement. I thought that might be it, but I thought it was kind of weird. So next course is hashes and symbols. So just to recall the hashes here, but yeah, so next session is hashes and symbols, and we'll get started on that in the next video. See you guys next time.